Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day. In my opinion, I think there's 5 things that need to happen in order for you to be successful with your yard. Number 1, you got to know your grass type. That has a lot to do with where you live out in the country, so you want to get your grass type right. So number 2 is mowing your yard. Okay, man, mowing plays an extreme importance in whether or not you have a nice yard or not. Your mowing height and your mowing frequency is directly related to your turf type. So you want to get your mow right. Number 3, watering. Man, hey, who don't need water, or what doesn't need water? Turf is a living plant that requires watering. Now, different turf types require different amounts of water at different times of the year. You want to get your water right. So let me ask you a question. Where do the roots of your turf live? Where do they spend most of their time? They spend it in the dirt, in the soil. Soil plays a crucial part of having a healthy yard. Get your dirt right. So hey, last but not least is your fertility program. You know, you can look at me and tell I really like to eat. Well, the grass is no different. It likes to eat as well. Different turf types require different foods and different amounts of food in the form of fertilizer. So you definitely want to get your fertility program right. So hey, I'm Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day. And if you're unfamiliar with GCI Turf Academy, let me tell you what we do. I've been in the business of spraying and treating yards on a professional level for about 15 years now. And I've taken everything I know, everything that's up in this little pea brain of mine, and put it in PDF documents, both for warm season and cool season turf. So I call those lawn care guides. And what it is, it's a downloadable document. It's a step-by-step process that will take you from January all the way through December to help you get your yard right.